Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Varsha. I hope you all are doing good. Take care of yourself. Today it's the second part of Amazon grocery shopping haul. In the first part I have showed you the spices what I have purchased from Amazon. I hope you guys have watched that video and you have liked it. Please do click on like if you have liked it. In this video I'll be showing you what I have purchased in the terms of grocery such as oil and grains, not exactly grains but cereals, etc. Before I continue, I would request you all please do click on like if you like this video and do subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. Support me. Let's see the video. In this video I will be telling you guys the brand's name of the products, packaging and the expiry date, also the actual price and for what price I have purchased it. I will display about it. Also guys, there are some products which I have used it. My mother, she has used it, so I don't have anything to show you, but I will display, I will show what I have purchased and the quality. The first one which I have ordered, it's called Desano canola oil. I'll show you. See this? This is ideal for Indian cooking, which has omega-3. I do have and also it doesn't have, it has zero cholesterol. I'm having acidity problem, hence I have used many oils for stop getting acidity problem, but nothing worked. I have used olive oil. Olive oil is really good, but I cannot afford on a regular basis. I do use olive oil for salads but not for regular cooking basis. Hence I was searching on internet what is the second oil which comes after olive oil. So I found canola oil is the best after olive oil, hence I have ordered this. I'm using this from last 3 months, or I've started using this from the month of January 2020 from this year, and trust me guys, I'm not getting acidity problem. If you want, you can just simply go for this canola oil. Simply just go for it. I have ordered 10 kg, hence the pack, the box was really huge. I'm not able to show you the huge box. I have unpacked, but trust me guys, the packaging was really good. It was very well packed, nothing was damaged. In terms of this oil is they have packed 2 liters together this way, pack of 2 this way, and the price is 425 rupees per liter. I will display for what price I have purchased it. This was packed on the 23rd of January 2020. Hence I have 12 months to be used this oil. The next one which I have purchased, that's called Vedika pulses. It's a chana dal. See this, it's a chana dal. Do you see the quality? It's unpolished. It has a small and the big pulses, not the small, not the same, but there are some small also and the big also. This was, the price is 120 rupees for 1 kg. This was packed on the 18th of April 2020 and should be used before 17th of October 2020. The next one which I have purchased, that's called Vedika pulses. It's tur dal. See this, do you see the dal? It's an unpolished dal. The original price is 140 rupees. It's a 1 kg. This was packed on 27th of April 2020 and should be used before 26th of October 2020. The dal size is average. It's not a small, it's not a big, it's an average size. Again, I will show you. The next one which I have purchased, that's called Tata Sampann Barik Besan. It's a fine besan, 100% chana dal, 1 kg. The price is 125 rupees. It was packed on 20th of April 2020 and has 7 months. It should be used before 7 months from packaging. Tata is a trustable brand, hence I have ordered Tata. The next one I have ordered, it's called Vedika Besan. Again, one more besan from Vedika, because I want to check how the besan is. I'll just quickly show you. See this. The price is 130 rupees. This was packed on 2nd of May 2020. It should be used before 30th of August 2020. The next one which I have purchased, it's a peri peri ketchup. The brand name is Wing Greens Farms. It's a medium ingredients, superior taste. The net weight is 450 gram. The original price is 149 rupees. It's a bit expensive. This was packed on 9th of February. I'm sorry. This was packed on 10th of May 2020 and should be used before 9th of February 2021. I've used this ketchup. It's very tasty, awesome. I've used this to make pizza, and I've used you can use for everything. If you want, you can use for cooking purpose too. And trust me, I just go for this. It's a bit expensive, but it's very yummy. If you love spicy, if you eat spicy food, just go for this ketchup. I'm going to order for this again once it's get finished. It has only little, just very little left, but I'm going to order this. I'm going to order for this again. The next one which I have purchased, it came in this box. I think so. It's a oil which I have ordered. Let me open it. So when I opened this, I found this. Let me check. Ouch. I found this one. Let me open this. What is it? Oh, it has applicator, and this is Bella Vita Grow Pro Eyebrow Lash Oil Growth and Volume. It's a 12 ml. So this was packed in the month of February 2020. Has 24 months to be expired. Made in India. I don't see for what is the original price. I don't see the price, but I will display for what price I have purchased it. Also, I will give my reviews on this after a month after using this. There are some items which I'm going to show you this way. The first one is called 24 mantras Saindav Lavana crystal rock salt. You do get this salt in rock forms. They have pinkish color. What you need to do, you just have to grind it and make a fine powder. The powder, it looks this way. I would highly recommend this one for you guys. Just go for this one. It is a bit expensive, but it's worth it. Just go for it. The next one, it's called Mavana Fine Sugar. It's a 5 kg packet. I will display the actual and for what price I have purchased. Quickly I will show you how it looks. See, the size is medium but too much white. This is all for today. I hope you guys have liked this video. Please do click on like if you have liked this video, and do subscribe to my channel. Support me if you're new to my channel. Have a great day. Thank you for your valuable time. Have a great day. Take care. Tada. Bye bye.